Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a product that's an absolute game changer, especially if you have dry skin like me. The glorious cream blush. And trust me, this isn't just some fleeting trend. We're going to take a little trip back in time to see how this makeup staple has evolved and why it is the secret to that seamless lit from within glow. So let's rewind the clock. Blush itself has been around for centuries, with ancient Egyptians and Greeks using natural pigments like crushed berries and ochre to add a flush of life to their cheeks. But for a long time, the dominant form was powder. It was easy to make, easy to apply, and did the job. Fast forward to the early 20th century, the dawn of modern cosmetics. As Hollywood's golden age began, makeup artists were looking for products that could stand up to the harsh studio lights and look incredible on film. This is where the magic of cream formulas really started to shine. Actresses of the 1930s and 40s needed makeup that looked like real, dewy skin, not a powdery mask. Cream blush was the answer. Its emollient texture allowed it to literally melt into the skin, mimicking a natural, youthful flush. Unlike powders, which could sometimes sit on top of the skin and emphasize texture, creams became one with the complexion. This was revolutionary because it allowed makeup artists to sculpt and enhance the face in a much more subtle and realistic way. For the first time, blush wasn't just about adding color, it was about creating dimension and a healthy radiance that looked completely natural on camera. Think about it, 4 different face shapes. This was a breakthrough. If you wanted to soften angular features, a dab of cream blush blended on the apples of the cheeks did the trick beautifully. If you wanted to create the illusion of higher cheekbones, you could blend it upwards and outwards, and the creamy formula made that blending process foolproof. It didn't skip or get patchy like powders sometimes could on less than perfect skin. This ability to seamlessly integrate with the skin is precisely why it is a hero product for those of us with dry skin. Dry skin often lacks that natural luminosity and can sometimes look a bit dull or flat. Powder blushes can exacerbate this by clinging to dry patches and making the skin look even drier. But cream blush, it's a whole different story. Formulated with oils and moisturizing ingredients, it glides over dry areas instead of settling into them. It imparts not just color, but also a visible dewiness and hydration. When you pat a cream blush onto your cheeks, you're adding a layer of moisture that helps your entire face look plumper, healthier, and more vibrant. The historical lesson here is that cream blush was born from a need for makeup to look like actual skin. It was designed to blend flawlessly and create a natural finish. And that core benefit is exactly what makes it so perfect for dry skin today. It doesn't fight against your skin type. It works with it, enhancing your natural texture rather than masking it. It brings back that soft, supple look that dry skin craves, making your makeup look cohesive and incredibly fresh. So, the next time you're reaching for a blush, remember this little piece of beauty history. That creamy formula isn't just a trend. It's a time-tested secret to a flawless, hydrated-looking complexion. Thanks so much for watching and taking this little beauty history journey with me. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what your favorite cream blush is. See you in the next one.